So the reason we're out in Colorado is to replace the roof of the van. It's held on by this aluminum trim, and these used to be screws. The reason we're doing it is, one, I can't stand up in here, and two, it's rotten. This thing is just a mess. I'm gonna take it off and make ourselves our own high top. We're getting impatient of chipping this away, so we have a great idea. Snapback range. All the trim and screws are removed all the way around the van. We're going to use a high lift jack and a piece of wood to break it off. On the inside, I can take a crowbar. You can see daylight all the way down.
No need for the crowbar.
Alright. Ooh, look at that crap. Caddy corner. There we go. Oh, 2x4 is gone. That's alright. I mean, it's about to go, and the back of it will eat it. Hey, take it up some. Straight back. Now bring the bucket down. Yeah, that's good. Oh, stay back. Go back. As you can tell, got the ultra rare Chevy 4-wheel drive convertible package. Here's what's left of the old top. It's amazing how actually thin this material is, and it's like, well, it's kind of light too. Very flimsy. Gonna redo it. I'm going to take a grinder and cut along this edge here and get rid of this old roof. We're going to use this flat surface right here as the mounting point for the new roof. It's part of the main structure, goes all the way around. So remove this side and the front. Got a lot of cutting to do. I've got all of the roof taken off, and now I'm working on cleaning up the drip rail and removing this old caulk stuff. I'm gonna use my death wheel and clean it all up and hit it with some POR 15 to get a better mounting surface for the new roof. I've got to grind these edges down as well. It's coming along quite well. In a quest to find a level surface to work on the van, I backed into a fallen down tree. But back into a fallen down tree caused the rear axle to break loose, and we're pretty close to level. This right here is the roof fabrication station. I'm going to be cutting these tabs 6 inches long, 6 of them, punching them, and then drilling them. This is for the roof to mount the frame to. All the tabs are made up. I've got 6 of them. I'm going to weld the 6 tabs. One right here, there, and on that back rib, and same along this side along the ribs. Then I'll run a kicker gusset somewhere at an angle.
Come to Colorado to redo your roof, they said. It doesn't rain that often. Well, in the next episode we're going to work on the framing, so hope you guys enjoy. Ooh.